event that was held today on Biomimicry European landscape was actually organized in the context of the Karim European project, a project which aims to network people and give a definition around responsible innovation and also build tools around responsible innovation. And biomimicry has been identified as a tool for responsible innovation within the Karim project. And in that context, we found it very useful to give an overview of what is done all around Europe on the topic. What is definitely needed today is having collective actions, coordinated actions and mutualized projects in order to put all these ideas into practice.
I was really impressed by the number of people who are interested in bio-inspired solutions and in biomimetics. And I think France is perhaps for the first time has a critical mass to really start a kind of sustainable network dealing with these aspects. And as far as I've understood, there are also many representatives of small and medium enterprises around, and I think this is very important. So I was really impressed and pleased, and I keep my fingers crossed that this time it will work fine.
I believe one location where fundable projects are being refined and developed and offered to investors, where everyone from innovators to facilitators to investors unite in one location, that would really help the whole biomimicry movement in Europe and maybe even the world.
First of all, they really need to know what bio-inspiration means and how they can apply this knowledge to their own business model. And if we find a bridge to get between academic research and industrial application, they will be able to use biomimicry and bioinspiration on different levels. And it will enable them to be, let's say, more successful and more efficient in the way they innovate and do their product engineering process. And we would love to help them using this methodology in their innovation process.
The biggest thing that I've realized today is that the wide array of things that are happening in biomimicry or biomimetics across Europe. It's really interesting to see the variety of opinions and the variety of uses of this tool, this innovation tool, across sectors, all the way from the educational sector and doing the primary research, but also then how entrepreneurs are using it for business design and business innovation.
I think the most useful info I got today is that we're not alone, in a way. That we're really not alone in France, in Belgium, and on a European level. There are a lot of people working on very similar things parallel to each other. Some of them not knowing that they're doing very similar things. And I think the kind of event like that was organized here today really facilitates people getting together and making synergies and co-create solutions which can be done better together than alone. That is really comforting, and I think it's very positive.
We knew before that we have to change. Now I have heard a lot of things about tools, about methodologies, about examples of applications. So now we begin to know how to do it.
It's a very unusual and very important event, in my opinion, because we as national players, we now have a bit clearer sight of the scene, of the biomimicry scene, but you really need to connect all together to go to the next stage.
The main interest was the possibility for people to meet together and to build their own network, because I think it's one of the most important difficulty in this project is to have a good connection between specialists. There are a few of them, so it's important for them to know each other and to get connected.